Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. So, this is your general and love reading. Bago magandang March. So, hahabol tayo, syempre. Tingnan natin kung ano pang makikita at makukuha. So, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng lumapit and mag-message. Okay? So, Pisces, and again, don't forget our second YouTube channel. Okay? Yung ating love letter. Love letter. So, again, pagdating sa mga items, so meron tayong protection from evil eye, meron din tayong love bracelet, grantor necklace, and cord cutting. Okay, so let's start the reading. Kung may mga tanong, again, yung mga nanonood sa YouTube, kung may tanong, mag-message po tayo sa FB page ko. Okay? So, Fias Tarot din po, ha? So, check the followers. Okay? Check the followers. Ang dami na nating followers. So, ang dami kasi rin pong nagagaya. Oo, nanggagaya ng ating page. So, check. Hindi tayo naka-lock profile. Okay? So, let's see. What's for you, Pisces? Bago mag-end ang March. Judgment in reversed. May mga ihihinto para sa, sabihin nating physical health. Para sa health, okay? So, merong mga ititigil. Maybe bisyo mo. Mga ganyan. Kung may bisyo ka. So, kung di man ititigil, like totally ililesen or lilimitahan. Okay? Tsansa na iba sa atin is pwede maging healthy living na. O, diba? That's nice. Okay? Physically fit. Mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Physical. Okay? May mga magbabago pagdating sa inyo. Physically. Pwedeng ma-appreciate yan ng ibang tao or makikita ng ibang tao yan. Okay? So, what else? The World Universe. And the Eight of Wands. I'm hearing internet pwedeng delays or hindi may isa-send na message. Just double check. Okay, some of you, meron kayong mga messages na hindi pa nababasa. I don't know. Pwedeng nasa message request or nasa spam or I don't know kung ano pa ba. Okay? I-double check nyo. Tingnan nyo lahat. Everything. Okay? I think this is sabihin nating important. Hindi ito lalabas ng wala lang. Okay? Or pwedeng meron, si the Eight of Swords in reverse. I think this is like, sabihin natin clarity or whatsoever. Okay. And this is important, I guess. What else? Or pwedeng kayo itong pwedeng hindi maisa-send. Akala nyo na i-send nyo na. Yun pala, hindi pala. Okay? Maybe issue lang pagdating sa Wi-Fi or whatsoever. Let's see. What else? The High Priestess. Somebody's watching you. Somebody's watching tarot. Okay? The High Priestess. What's that? The Page of Pentacles. Somebody's interested. Oh, the Ace of Cups. There's this new love coming in. I think. New love. New love interest. But this is slow. Slow moving. They're slow. Slow. Like a snail. Slow moving animal. Anyway, I don't know why. So, meron ditong energy ng somebody na pwedeng they're into you, they like you, pero they're just so slow to take action. Sinabi lang. Oh, nakita lang natin. So, there. So, yeah. So, tayo na may tumungo. Sa love. Ano bang meron for you in love, mga Pisces? What's for you in love bago mag-end ang March? What's for Pisces in love? The world, universe. What? Pass agad to. Anong meron? Past issues? The Ten of Wands. Everything. Anything about past. I don't know kung meron ditong something na pwedeng magpapahirap kasi I don't know. Maybe may magpaparamdam or what. Let's see. What's with that world, universe? Kasi may kasamang burden. Kung kayo itong hindi pa nagmo-move on, yeah, lalong sabihin nating bibigat, no? Yeah, the Four of Swords. The Four of Swords, somebody will reach out. Lalo na yung no contact mo. Number 1. Ha? Okay? Ang sinasabi dito, keep an arm's distance. Keep an arm's distance. The Two of Pentacles, hindi mo kailangan maging open, hindi mo kailangan maging close. So, just lang, sabihin nating katamtaman lamang. No? Okay? Magaganan ka, magiging shaky, rocky na naman yung situation mo. So, much better kung ikaw itong iisipan mong maigi. Kung ano man. Okay? Kasi, magiging burden to. What else? The Lover's Universe. Could be a Gemini. What's that? The Queen of Wands. Meron ditong gustong kumonek sa'yo. Pwedeng Gemini or fire sign. What's with his Lovers Universe? Yeah, the Seven of Wands. There's tension. I think they're being, feeling intimidated. Nahihiya sa'yo siguro. I-approach ka. Natatakot maybe. Yeah, they want your attention. They want something from you. Okay, yeah, they like you. Na-intimidate sa'yo itong taong to. Natatakot kang lapitan. Yes. They look, parang tense every time na nakikita ka. Okay? Pwedeng nasa workplace or school. Something or somewhere na pwedeng pinupuntahan everyday, na pwedeng nakikita mo siya everyday, parang ganyan, pwedeng siya yon. Okay? And the Ten of Pentacles, universe. Some of you may nakikita ko, this is hindi about love, pero ang nakuha ko, meron ako nakukuhang OT na TY. OT TY. Okay? So, too much work, pero walang masyadong parang ganyan. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune Universe. Huwag niyong sagarin. Hindi ka naman nakikitang maganda to if ever. Yeah, mas maganda na kung sa tingin mo hindi mo kailangan mag-OT. At sa tingin mo hindi ka rin naman sure kung mababayaran, then wag, no? Okay? I'm hearing part-time. Some of you, there's this delays pagdating sa pera. Diba? This is love, pero may nakita akong ganyan, so I have to say it. Meron ditong sobrang tagal nang hinihintay Delay. Mag-follow up ka. Okay? You have to follow up. So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind, Pisces. The person on Pisces' mind. Who is this? Okay, the Ten of Swords. May chance na may nangyaring ending sa inyo. Iniwan ka nito or binackstab ka. Iniwan ka mag-isa. Yeah, the Three of Swords Universe. Some of you, you're healing na from this one. Nakaka-recover ka na from them, I think. Pwedeng may third party na na-involve, actually. They cheated on you, they lied on you. So, let's see. What's the situation? The King of Pentacles. Everything, sabihin nating paganda, no? Kung may separation na nangyari na with this person, magiging maganda kung ano man ang meron sa iyo. Yeah, the Six of Swords. Stay guarded. Stay grounded. Hanggat maaari. I think this person will reach out. May chance. So, stay guarded. And grounded. Okay? They will try to trigger you. They will. Let's see. What is their emotion right now, Pisces? The Four of Swords, Universe, yeah, they want to reach out. Ang nakuha kasi niya is parang hindi ka na totally nag-iisip sa kanya. Parang okay, parang hindi ko na nararamdaman si Pisces, so I have to trigger na naman si Pisces para makita ko kung nandyan pa rin siya. Parang ganyan, kung mapapansin pa ba niya ako, that's it. Okay, what's with that Four of Swords, Universe? Yeah, the Knight of Swords, Universe. This is like inconsistent. Message maybe, makikita mo siya nandyan, maya wala. Ilang araw nandyan, ilang araw mawawala ulit, like that. Okay? Itong taong to, gusto niyang i-magnet ka, like ma-drawn ka muli sa kanya. They want to hook you. Parang ganyan. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Wands. Wala naman itong magandang intention if ever. No good intentions. They just want to play. To distract kung anong mga ginagawa mo. Okay? So, what is your next action? The Ten of Cups, Universe. Some of them, sa totoo lang, sila yung may issue dito. Sila yung may drama. Gusto nila na ikaw, mahawa ka dun. Oo. They're unhappy. Unhappy. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. So, they will sneak back. Okay, they will sneak back. This person is jealous. Pisces, they're jealous. Kung nakikita ka niya na naka-move on without them, they're jealous. Parang feeling nila, napapag-iwanan na sila. Parang napapag-iwanan mo na sila. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. See? How immature. Yeah. So, may magbabalik na liar, may magbabalik na nanakit sa'yo before. So, don't let them confuse you or manipulate you whatsoever. Just focus on kung ano man ang mga pinagagawa mo sa ngayon, lalo na sa work mo, career mo, studies, if ever. Okay? So, what's the potential outcome? Okay, the Knight of Cups in reverse. That's hot and cold. The Temperance. Yeah, mabubisit ka lang dito, see? Ano ba? Ano bang meron? Guguluhin ka lang. Okay? Itong taong to, wala itong matinong pathway. Okay? So, they will try to trigger you. Magkaroon ng imbalance sa buhay mo hanggat maaari. Okay? This is the Star. Hayaan mo. Alam mo, Pisces, every time na ikaw is nag-move on, tandaan nyo, every time na nag-move on ka and nagiging okay ka na, tsaka may mga mag-resurface na mga, time waster, mga ex mo, mga ex, ganyan. Ganon ka, ang tawag dyan, kasutel, oo, itong si Universe eh. Why? Because si Universe, nakikita kanyang pwede na mag-level up. Okay, so Universe will challenge you. So, kapag nag-failed ka dito sa challenge na to, okay, so, dyan ka na lang muli. Pero if not, may chance na may mga ibibigay sa yung other opportunities like new energies. Okay, in general. Yeah, this is leveling up, I guess. Yeah, so, wag kayong maapektuhan nito kung sakali. Okay, may mga ibabalik lang si Universe na hindi magandang energy to distract you and to challenge you. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so, Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Okay, Aries. Very open. Taurus, they're dropping you. Gemini. Wala yung focus ni Gemini sa'yo. What? Pisces, alam nyo, ang dami yung stalker. Yeah, in general. Ang dami yung stalker. Walang zodiac sign, kung ano man, ang dami yung stalker. Kabit-kabit. Okay? So, Cancer, they're stalking you. Yeah. Leo, they want a collaboration, a partnership, connection with you. Virgo, they still like you. You're the best option. Libra, they want a new beginning or maybe a new chance, another chance maybe. Scorpio, a time waster. Sagittarius, they're bitter. Capricorn, hindi na sila masyado nag-iisip about this or pwedeng may mawawalang tension. Aquarius, unhappy, incomplete, feeling incomplete. Pisces, there's this energy of new energies, new beginnings, challenges, nakaakibat dito. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Thank you. Bye!